Welcome back to Quick Learn. In this video, we will explore Node.js Modules, one of the most powerful features of Node. By the end of this video, you will understand how to create, use, and organize modules in your Node.js projects. Understanding Node.js Modules. What are Node.js Modules? Modules are reusable pieces of code in Node.js. They help organize code better. Example: fs http path. Types of modules: core modules or built-in, local modules or custom, third-party modules which install via npm. Example of using core modules: fs. Uh, in fs we can read or write uh, any files with the fx uh, package module. Third-party module: chuck. Third-party module, how to use third-party module. Recap: modules are reusable blocks of code. Node.js has core, local, and third-party modules. Use npm to install third-party modules. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe.